welcome back to another video. Today is a Curlsmith video. This is a sneak peek. And girl, if you're wondering, yes, it is day one, and yes, we do have some body yada yada definition. And what's the last one? Volume. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. So today we are using some Curlsmith products. I'm going to part my hair first before I whip out these products. I always put my bangs separately because they need their own attention. They have a mind of their own. They have a special place near and dear to my heart. And they're so frustrating, and they're at that point now where they're growing out. So they're almost too long for my face, but not too long. But I don't think I'm going to get it cut again. I think I'm just going to leave it and see what happens. But I do think my hair is getting so much healthier. I just deep conditioned. I'm just finishing a mask Monday. If you want to see what I deep condition my hair with, check out my last video. And check out my Instagram. I do post IGTVs on there like once a week. But today we're using the Curlsmith, the scalp recipe, which is my favorite line from Curlsmith. If you don't know, they have a moisture recipe and a scalp recipe, but I love the scalp recipe. The moisture line's like, the moisture recipe is orange and the scalp one is blue. So it is a leave-in conditioner for all types. Easy, dry, smooth, softens, seals cuticles, and it's their Weightless Air Dry Cream. And I do think I like something that is nice and, you know, just light, nothing too heavy for my hair. It says our styling recipes are naturally lightweight and build-up free. They allow your scalp to breathe and help create the perfect environment for hair follicles. I know when I'm using Curlsmith, I can trust it. I don't even have to double check the ingredients. So one of the key ingredients in here is hyaluronic acid, which is a moisturizing miracle. Just 1 gram can hold up to 6 liters of water. So it says apply to soaking wet hair, rake through to ensure evenly coating the strands. Use a praying hand method to smooth all locks down, seal moisture, and tame the cuticles. For best results and definition, air dry and use in combination with the Curlsmith Hydro Style Flexi Jelly. It says to air dry. I'm probably not going to do that though. I'm probably not going to do that. My hair takes forever to air dry. We'll be here all day. I'm going to diffuse, but I will try this. I will try air drying this since that's what the directions say. But that's really interesting. I've never had a product say to air dry. But, and you know, they're talking our language like they typically do. I'm very intrigued. I'm gonna split this in. I will see. I'm just gonna mix this in my hands. Oh yeah, that disappeared. I'm gonna focus on my ends and make my way to the top. It smells really good. It's a light floral scent. I can tell something's in my hair, but it is very light. Very, very light. And when I typically style my hair, I like to just apply my leave-in like this, and then I go in with each section and style with my product, my styling product for whatever day that is. So y'all know I use my demi brush to style my hair. So I'm gonna do a section with you guys and then just speed it up because I'll be here forever. This is their Hydro Style Flexi Jelly. So it's a styling gel for curly and wavy hair, medium hold, lightweight, airy definition, whatever that means. Star ingredients are hyaluronic acid, green tea. So what is this on the back? And they have organic thyme, white cedar, mash amla, and organic lavender. This is not secure. There we go. So what I would do, oh, is this open? Oh, it is open. So we're gonna see. It's looks like a gel. It's not like sticky or anything. It's definitely runny. In texture, I could compare it to the Camille Rose Naturals, but lighter. But I also hate that gel. So, they said prayer hands or something. Boom. And then when I go on with my brush, I'll split this even more take this back section. And the back of my head be looking crazy. And then shake it out. And that's what I do. I'm going to do this to my whole head. It feels pretty lightweight. I do think it might be a volume today. I'm gonna apply this to my whole head. I'll be right back. So my hair's like 92, I won't even, like 98, 97% dry. You see all these ringlets? I'm about to go through and undo all of these. I've used this gel leave-in duo at least 3 times now, and it comes out a little different every time. And I guess that's to be expected, right? But what's consistent is the curls. You can see each and every single one. Like, they're not so much clumped. It's more the opposite of clumped. Single. Like, I don't even know. And I do the same thing every time. I know you guys see my bangs getting a little long. But overall, it definitely gets a stamp for me. 100. Sorry, I'm looking at my mirror. It is a tiny bit frizzy, but it's probably for me picking it out like crazy. It definitely gives me volume. It gave me hold. It gave me, when I used this previously, it gave me about 3 to 4 days, and I don't usually go longer than 3 to 4 days anyway. It is a pretty penny. So for 8 fluid ounces of the leave-in conditioner, it is $26.99, and then for 8 fluid ounces of the jelly, it is $26 as well. So they are definitely pretty penny. I got them on Ulta sale. If you haven't seen my Ulta video, oh, I don't know if it's out yet. If it's out, go look at it. But it definitely is a pretty penny. I got both of these items on sale. I don't know why this curl is so long. And you know what it could be too? I put a lot of product on my bangs, so they kind of like, so they get heavy. Like, oh my gosh. I like to weigh my bangs down so they're not like right here, because I hate that look. So maybe that's it, but they're just growing, girl. They're growing, and I'm happy for the growth. But do you see that definition? It gives me some shine. It gives me some definition. It could be a little shiny here, but I'm not gonna find it. I really like this. And you feel the light hold. It says it's a 7. Let me show you. On the bottom here, I don't know if you can see. It says weightless hold. Yeah, right there. It says weightless hold. It says a 7. It could be a 7. I would say a 6, but 6, 5.5, 6. But this will definitely last me a couple days. I really like it. I love the volume. I love a wash and go when I can get volume and definition and I don't gotta pick. I really like, not like pick my hair, sorry. I mean, like, I don't have to pick between the two, because I don't want to pick. Like, are you a definition girl or a volume girl? Baby, I'm both. And I need a product that can do both. Especially if I'm gonna be paying that Curlsmith price. But Curlsmith never fails me. I will be doing 2 Mask Mondays on their deep conditioners. That's coming soon. But I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys are staying safe out there. Keep deep conditioning. And I'll see you guys next time. Toodles.